Hello. You want to see how I achieve this ring meat stew? Keep watching so you don't miss out. Hello. Welcome back. This is Lady B. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. Today's recipe, I'm going to be cooking ring meat stew. So here I have my already washed ring meat. I have some diced onion, seasoning cube, thyme, nutmeg, cinnamon, tumeric, garlic, and I have curry powder. So I'm going to cover and allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, this is it. I added salt. I like to cook more. So I came to check on it. I just stayed together and I will cover it and like to cook for another 4 minutes. So here my meat has been cooking for 10 minutes. I'm going to remove it and start the stew process. So I added my vegetable oil, some curry powder, some turmeric powder. I'll add in my diced onion. I will stir together and allow it to just fry for 1 minute. So after 1 minute, I added my roughly blended pepper, onion, garlic, ginger, scotch bonnet. So I'm going to add some salt and I'll add some soy sauce. I'll mix together and I'll cover and allow it to cook on a low heat for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, this is it. I stir together. Now I'm going to be adding my tomato puree. In this recipe, I did not use tomato paste. This is my fresh tomato. I blended it roughly. So I add it and I'm going to stir together. So I'll cover and allow it to simmer on a low heat for 15 minutes. So I added my meat. I'll stir together and I'll cover and allow it to cook more. So the stew has been cooking. I will stir together and I will taste for salt. So the salt was okay. So I added the stock of the meat. So I added my oven dried fresh meat. So I'll be adding my oven dried fish too. So I'm going to add it and I will stir together. For my returning subscribers, I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you for always tuning in. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notification so that anytime I upload, you will be notified. So I sprinkled some salt and I stir together. So I'll just cover and allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. So this is after 10 minutes. I added my bay leaf and I stir together and I'll cover and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. So guys, at this point, our ring meat stew is ready. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.